All right, guys, day 12, popping the incense right now. I got a lot to talk about. I missed yesterday, and I'll tell you why in just a second. If you are new, this is a 100-day daily incense grind for Zygarde cells and also shiny Galarian birds. This is me out here doing this every day. No edits, no music, no nothing. Out in the real world, at parks, meeting people, being awkward, the whole thing. It's supposed to be chill, like maybe you could just fall asleep. We get to know each other. This is a new YouTube channel, and I appreciate each of you guys. Yo, we have 10 subscribers. Let's go. Double digits, you guys. Double digits. Ooh, we got a milk tank. Blue? Not blue. So I missed yesterday. Reason is my little one was sick. My youngest daughter, she's 4 years old. She was sick. She had to stay home from TK. So I've been using this, her little TK time to go out and shoot these videos. So couldn't do that yesterday. But I did make it out. And I did, it was kind of at night, like last minute. My middle daughter watched her for me. So I ripped out, did a walk around the park. And of course, I hit 2 shinies and had a Galarian Articuno post up, you guys, of course, when I'm not recording. Am I recording right now? Okay, yes, I am. That's good. Of course, when I'm not recording, I put some B-roll up of that. I'll put B-roll up of that right now. I missed the Articuno and I had a terrible throw. Judge me in the comments if you want. I need to practice throwing at those birds. Like, I've never caught one in the wild, and that's why I've always botched the throws. Am I going the wrong way? No, I'm good. So we've done this route before, sadly. This isn't a new route. But the thing is, I am quite honestly running out of routes, and today I had to do a lot of extra work. I don't have a ton of time to shoot this video today because my little one was sick. I couldn't get my work done yesterday. So tomorrow we'll do a new route, someplace totally different, I hope. And hopefully we'll have better luck. No, actually, hopefully we'll have good luck today. In between spawns, I'll show you guys where I'm at with the Zygarde. I did routes all weekend as well. So we're up to 119 cells. Some quick math, that's 81 cells we need. We're on day 12. Let me do the math. What's the math on that? Hello. The math on that is good. I think we're on track. Got a Snorlax here. As usual, what do you think is going to happen first? Zygarde or shiny Galarian? I don't know now. I really think I'm due for a shiny Galarian. Like, I do these a lot. I get a lot of encounters. I've never had a shiny. What is this? Goodness. So, my vote, I don't know. I'm changing my vote. I thought I'd probably finish the Zygarde, but I think probably we will actually pop a shiny before then. We're due, you guys. Although yesterday I hit 2 shinies, so I'm probably not going to hit anything today. Of course. Just a reminder, you guys, the daily incense is back to 30 minutes. It's from the pass. So as long as that pass will go, we're back up to 30 minutes. I'm not sure if I can do a 30-minute recording with you guys because this route is not that big. And like I said, I got to kind of get cooking on my other work. We'll get some good stuff, though. Whoa. Okay. I didn't know about this. This must be in a costume event. I also have a streak. 5 great throws in a row. Let me know if you guys like those kind of research tasks. I love them, actually. Like 5 greats in a row, 3 excellents in a row. I always keep those. I like doing these in the actual towns, like we're in a downtown area, because they really make me appreciate the chill routes out in the country where there's no people, no cars. I feel like we're really just hanging out and I'm chatting with just you guys and not being looked at by like 100 people. Here we go. I missed this one. Nothing. Yeah, so I think we'll do is we'll walk this route, collect the cells. I'll keep screen recording and then pop back in at the end and let you guys know what I got. I want to talk to you guys today about what you consume, what you guys are consuming. Not just food, but like content and what you're filling your minds and your souls and your attention with. You've probably heard the saying, you are what you eat. Well, it's probably a better way to say it is you are what you consume. So maybe there's parts about you that you want to change. Bad habits you have, character issues that you know come between you and friends and just you and yourself. I would make a bet that you can trace all those things back to what you're consuming. So my hope is, and I'm speaking to myself as well, my hope is that we collectively can start to consume the good things in life. Because it's super important. So for me, I know I have to watch what I'm listening to, the music I listen to. I have to watch the YouTube videos that I'm watching. I got to make sure that those are good for me. Literally, it's just like food, you guys. So that one's a little more convicting, a little more challenging. But if you want to see changes in your own life, the way you carry yourself, what you do every day, how healthy you are, what kind of person you are, what kind of community member you are, if you know you need to make some changes, instead of just trying to do those changes, try to trace it back to the root, which is probably stuff that you consume. Think about that. A little palmy. Up this hill. We're going on a main road now. I'm getting a lot of crazy looks now. Like I said, nobody knows that I'm making these videos except you guys who's watching this. Nobody, like none of my in real life friends. So I have to figure out a way to combat that when they find out, which could happen any day. Like people just drive by, be like, what are you doing? I don't want to lie to him, but I'm also not about to tell him either. Dude, it's so beautiful. I'll flip you guys around. This is beautiful. Look at that. Come on, we need a shiny today or a bird. Thank you guys so much for the new subscribers. I mean it. I love my favorite time of a YouTube channel is this time right now where I get to talk literally one-on-one with some of you guys. It's so good. You don't take things for granted. How you doing? No, this route is not picking up. I don't know if the internet's bad. I'm gonna slow down right here. One thing I'm so excited for, I know it's a ways away, but is the Go Wild event. That thing, come on, route, please. That might be my favorite Pokemon Go event that they've ever done. So, oh, come on, dude. I'm gonna wait here for just a second. Wait, so what? Why did that Psyduck have a inner tube and these don't? That's so weird, dude. I don't understand this event, I guess. Okay, there we go. The root's back. Swinub. One more throw at the Swinub, then we're going to leave it. Yeah, I love making content. I do feel like I'm supposed to be doing this. It's bigger than just me wanting to try this or feeling like it would be fun or any of that stuff. I actually feel like I'm supposed to be doing this. So I love it. It brings me joy. It brings me life. This part is kind of crazy too, being out. I've created so many YouTube videos, so much stuff in my office, and I like that too, but every time I do it, it feels like I should be out in the world, meeting people, talking to people, being outside. So that's what we're doing, and it feels good. It's challenging, it's uncomfortable, but it feels really good. Dude, this internet is lagging. Someday, I really want to just live stream this. So my future vision for this channel is to keep doing what we're doing. Past the 100-day challenge, we'll do some other thing, you know, some other series. But keep doing this sort of no edit. Oh, I did it again, bro. This is not it. It's this root. Is not it. But yeah, so I would really love to just live stream it, cut out the editing altogether. Then I wouldn't even have to put this, I wouldn't even have to go home and do this on my computer. The problem is, I don't know how to do that. I don't think you can. Like, it would be vertical, and it would just be the game and maybe just like a really, really low res, crappy like face cam. I don't want to do that. I don't know. The reason is I don't enjoy watching those because the quality is so bad. So yeah, we'll wait on that, I guess. Doesn't mean we won't ever do that at some point, but yeah, that's not the vision. This is the vision. Like, just better quality, horizontal, chill video like this. Getting near the end of the route. We're at 16 minutes left. A lot of cool spawns. I really want the Psyduck shiny as kind of a side quest what I've got right now. Can't wait to show you. Wait, stick around to the end. I can't wait to show you the shinies I got. They're good ones. They're really good ones. Some of my favorites, actually. And you get to see how bad my Galarian bird throw was yesterday. I did get a cell, I think. I'll have to check the footage as well. So we're day 12. That means we have 88 days left. We have 82 days. How's it going? Whoops, we need 80. Oh, I can't remember the math. This could be a root spawn. It is not. This is an incense spawn. How'd you guys do with Sharpedo? I didn't even do one mega Sharpedo raid. I wanted to. I need one more mega evolution to complete the platinum medal. And I literally could not get out that day to do one single raid. It was horrible. Just too busy. Sundays are the worst. I do so much for the church that I go to, so sometimes that carries into the afternoon, and then you're going grocery shopping. And what is this? Oh, that's pretty cool. Should best buddy during this route as well. That would be really cool with my shiny T-Tar. All right, nearing the end of the route. I did not see a root spawn, so I've heard it said that you want to catch your root spawns, it increases your chance of getting a cell. Truthfully though, I don't know anything for certain. Oh, Don fan, that's cool. Let's do a berry. I should have been burying. Oh man, it's so nice out. This park, back in the day when Pokemon first started, my oldest daughter and I would come here, especially during I remember Halloween, and Ghastlies came out for the first time. Dude, we were so excited. There's a root spawn. We were so excited, and we came to this park and the Ghastlies popped off on Halloween. Such a fun night. Getting your first Gengar, oh man. All right, I want this root spawn just in case it matters. We'll catch this and then bam, our cell will pop up. Watch this. Come on, cell. Is it right there? I think it was right behind this. Here, let me just see. Yes. 2, let's go. We're double, let's go. All right, let's trade with Mateo while our Lunatone is chilling. If you made it this far and you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. My goal is 100 subscribers before this challenge is done. Gift from Japan. And complete the route. All right, you guys, I'm gonna keep walking. Whoa, I'm gonna keep walking. I'm gonna walk this whole thing off. And if I catch a shiny or a Galarian or anything cool, I will bring you guys straight back in with a face cam. All right, you guys, 1 minute, 20 seconds left on the incense. I caught nothing. That's great, which is normal. Looks like we'll have this ducklet and then maybe one more spawn. We can get a bird at the end. We can, it's possible. As soon as this is done, as always, we will click through and see if we got any nundos or hundos. And I'll show you what I got yesterday for the shinies. I think there were 2 shinies in a row actually yesterday, which is crazy rare. Also, how is that? We have never got a shiny together. You guys have never witnessed a shiny. We are 0 for 12 for shinies, and somehow I go for a walk alone and boom, we get 2 shinies in a row. I'm just glad I screen recorded it, because just in case. Looks like this might be our last spawn. I think it is. Great walk, a little busy, a lot of people, some friendly people though. Yeah, that was our last spawn. Okay, let's look what we got, you guys. We have 30 Pokemon in the bag with a couple of those weird Psyducks. Let's appraise, rate. Now we'll appraise. Nothing. Ducklet, no. Psyduck, no. Corfish. Chimchar. Paris was not actual incense. The hippo. The Palmy, the fungus. The fletchling, Eevee. Shellos. Shinx, no. Flabebe. There's that Don fan. Come on, something. Hey, whoever's sticking around for this, thank you. We have not had any like exciting content yet. So if you're here and sticking around, you're really here. And I appreciate it. Whooper, there's a Psyduck with the tube. And I think, this is not the shiny I'm talking about. This was today. The shinies I'm going to show you guys from yesterday are epic. So yesterday I got, oh, this isn't it either. I hatched this. Here we go. This boy is one of my favorite shinies in the game. Epic Geodude. In the Mawile, I think I hatched this. So I hatched this shiny. Maybe I'll throw a B-roll up right now if I can think of it back home. I hatched the shiny, and then the next thing I clicked on was the Geodude. Epic. Hey, just to remind you and remind myself, you are what you consume. It's okay to reflect on what you're consuming and then change that. It's the easiest thing you can do, actually. Cut that bad stuff out and start consuming good stuff. It'll definitely shape the way you live. See you guys tomorrow for day 13. Someplace new. And again, 10 subscribers, y'all. Thank you. Peace.